Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Digital transformation is a necessity for firms and organizations. As Peter Drucker stressed, the enterprise that doesn't innovate ages and declines, and a period of rapid change such as the present, the decline will be fast. With a blistering pace of innovation, a nimble and adaptable firm is more likely to survive and prosper. For current students and future engineer leaders, intimate knowledge and practical insights on digital transformation within industrial context would certainly be helpful for preparing their future. Against this backdrop, an event such as the Industrial Workshop 2021 would become very important. Industrial Workshop has a very long history. It has been organized annually since 14 years ago, and the events have been evolving and improving in terms of topics and scopes. Industrial Workshop is a great venue for university students to learn new knowledge from the experts, to hone their problem-solving skills with cases and white papers, and to build networks as well as basically to have fun. On behalf of the Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department, Universitas Gajah Mada, I would like to warm welcome to all participants, distinguished speakers, judges, coaches, moderators, and audiences. We would like to extend our gratitude to our speakers, Mr. Pramudono Kumoro, Professional Scrum and Product Owner, Mr. Suresh Subramaniam, Managing Director of Kantar, and Ms. Nadia Ardianti, Head of Client Engagement, Kantar, Mr. Rian Maurice Talulah, CEO of Bardi Smart Home, Mr. Fabian Prastia, Country Digital and Media Director, L'Oreal Group Indonesia. The moderators are Mr. Andrea Puspa, Co-Head of Creative Education, Green Welfare, and Abian Irshad, Young Leaders for Indonesia with 13 McKinsey and Company. The judges for the white paper competition is Mr. Andramika Priastio, the Head of Data in Financial Services Bukalapak, and my colleague, Dr. Wangi Pandansari from Universitas Gajah Mada. The coach for the white paper competition, Mr. Aldo Egi Ibrahim, Digital Business Integration from Accenture. And we would like also to thank to the companies that provide the case study subjects, Party Smart Home and Telkomsel. We also like to thank to all sponsors who offers variety of supports to the event, and last but not least to the committee, Himpunan Mahasiswa Teknik Industri, for all of your hard work and smart works. You have done an excellent job, very, very well done. And to all participants, enjoy the event and may the best win. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.